You may not think we see you, but we do. Every single day, you're helping us in so many ways. You help us with the little tasks. You help us see our goals and achieve them. You help keep us safe every day. You teach us to be kind. You keep us healthy. You make our libraries great places to learn and our computer labs great places to show how much we know. You keep our buses up and running. You remind us how to stand in line. And you set a good example for us in our classrooms. You make sure every detail is covered, and you answer all of our parents' questions. And more questions. And a few more questions. Our parents have lots of questions. But you always make sure they know everything they need to know, so we'll have a great school year. Sometimes you do things that aren't even your job. And sometimes you do things that we aren't even sure what you're doing. But everything you do makes our school a better place, and it makes all of us better people. It doesn't matter if you're asked to help the Easter Bunny or asked to save a real bunny. You always step up to the challenge. You make sure that we arrive at school safely every single morning, arriving by bus or arriving by car. Even arriving on the days that our buses have to have snow cleared off and get warmed up long before we hop on. And the days the sidewalks need shoveled while the snow continues to fall. You take care of some of the tasks that nobody wants to deal with, and take care of some of the heavy lifting, literally. And you do it no matter what. Sometimes we have crazy days where we ask everyone to jump in and do something fun for the school, like dress up with some crazy theme. You always jump in. And sometimes you jump higher than everyone else on the staff. We know it's all to make our school a fun place. And you answer our questions too. Lots of questions. In fact, we probably have as many questions as our parents do. So thank you for always being there to answer all of our questions and to help us understand how things work. Thank you for always being there to encourage us, even encouraging us when we least expect it. And even though you aren't our teachers, you teach us every day with your great examples of how things work, how to listen, how to be kind, and how to help one another. Each one of us goes to a better, stronger, safer, cleaner, happier school because you're there to make it that way. So remember that no matter what, we know you're there watching over us, coming up the steps, watching over things from way down that hallway, climbing up higher than the rooftops, cleaning way past that last bell, and out on a cold, snowy morning all alone. Thank you so much for everything you do, and thank you for making Mooresville schools awesome.